Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today is July the 28th of 2025, and we have made it to day number 100 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge, guys. This is a cool milestone that we've reached our first 100 days. Okay, so we're just moving right along here, guys. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about in this video, we are taking one offer from ClickBank. All right. We're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so. All right. So I'm going to show you guys how to send out an email in the system, and then also the results from our emails and how we're doing. Okay. How we did last night. We did come in and we shot a video yesterday, and we went over the results from the previous day, and we're going to do that today. All right. So we are on day number 100, guys. Hope you guys are had a fantastic day. Hope you have a good week. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into this method, guys. So let's go ahead and hop on over here to My Lead Gen Secrets. Okay, now My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay, I call these business opportunity leads that are coming in. So every day you come into your back office, which will look exactly like this. You're either going to have 100 or 200 leads coming in, okay? Just depending on however many accounts that you have, okay? So the cool thing about My Lead Gen Secrets is that you can have multiple accounts, okay? Right now I have 8 different accounts that I use. I come in every single day and I send out my emails every single day, okay? Don't miss a beat, right? So if you guys want to get started, I would recommend getting multiple accounts starting out. Now, I wouldn't run out and grab, too many accounts, 10, 15 accounts. I wouldn't do that, but I would at least start off with one, two, not one, but maybe 2 or 3 accounts. And then as you start making money, you can scale up to about five. Five is a sweet spot for accounts. And then you can just keep adding them as you grow your business. Okay. Grow your email marketing business. Okay. And that's pretty much what My Lead Gen Secret is your own personal solo ad company, right? You have all of these leads coming in. Okay. You can build up these accounts to thousands and thousands of people. Okay. So as these subscribers build in your back office, as long as you stay with the company, as long as you pay your monthly fee, okay, those subscribers are going to be with you every day. And you can come in every single day, every 24 hours, and send out one email to thousands of people. All right. So, which is pretty cool. So, that's one thing as affiliate marketers, what we need is traffic. So, this is just a great service to use. If you guys want to get started, if you know how to copy and paste emails, you can do this method, guys. It's super easy to do. Okay. And just a little bit about myself with My Lead Gen Secrets. I've been with My Lead Gen Secrets over 3 years now, 3.5 years. Okay. I totally love the service. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. I have earned income. I have earned paychecks from My Lead Gen Secret itself. Then also whatever companies that I'm using, you know, I've earned money from that as well. Okay. So just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. This is what your back office would look like if you were to get started. Where you're going to be hanging out at is in this mailing system right here. This is where you're going to send out all your emails. Okay, so what you would do simply just come down here, click on select all. Okay, and what that does, it transfers your emails over so we can send out an email. Now, there's a subject line right here, and there's a body of text right here. Now, I've already sent out my emails already today, guys. Just to kind of get ahead of you guys and save some time for this video, I always shoot my emails. I always send out my emails before I shoot these videos. Okay. So, but I'm going to show you guys how to, paste in these emails. They're super easy. So if you go up here, there's a subject line. The offer that we're using, guys, is going to be an offer on ClickBank called Live Chat Jobs, which is social sales rep. Okay. This is one of the top offers on ClickBank. Okay. And the cool thing about this is that it has a rebill every single month where we can earn residual income every single month. Okay. So somebody signs up for the program on a free trial. They'll get billed for the program 3 days later. Okay. So they're going to do a 3-day trial. They're going to sign up. And then on that third day, we're going to earn a commission. Okay. So, which is really cool. Now, the another cool thing is that after we earn from the free trial, that person will then get billed again the next month for the program. Okay, which is awesome. All right. So as long as they stay with the program, they're going to keep getting billed over and over and over again. All right. So I got people, I got people still signed up from when we first started the challenge, guys, which was 3 months ago. So this just let you know the power of this offer, and that this thing can reoccur, and you can get paid over and over and over again. Okay, the whole idea here, guys, is to get multiple people signing up, right, and get multiple people getting billed for the program each and every month. All right, so. Now this offer here, guys, you don't actually have to promote, social sales rep. I'm just doing this for the video. Okay, they have other different offers that are related to this. Okay, that are pretty similar to this that you can use. Okay, so I believe they have paying social media jobs is a good one. Not Warrior Plus, but I forgot the name of it. There's another one that's a good one on there, which I'll go back to. I believe it's called. It's on the paid online jobs is one. Okay, and write out reviews. That's what I was thinking about. Write out reviews. Just lost my train of thought. So those other offers that you will be able to promote, guys, that work, and I've promoted those offers. I've earned money with those as well. So I can tell you that other offers do work. Okay, I'm just promoting this one because it's one of the top offers on ClickBank, and it's been working really good for us. All right, so. The cool thing about these offers is that they have free email swipes. Okay, so we can use these emails. These emails have been proven to work, proven to convert, and they do work. Okay, and I have made money from these emails. All right, so let's go ahead and find an email. So we're just going to pick this one. All right, you want to take the subject line since we need a subject line. Control C. Come back over here to the mailing system. Control V. Super easy. Come down here and click on perfect timing. All right. Come back over here to the offer. And then we just want to grab this body of text right here. So let's just go ahead and grab all of this. Oh, that's a long one too. So let's go ahead and grab that one. Control C. Come back over here to the mailing system, and we want to Control A and Control V. Take out signature and either put in your name or management, whichever one you want. All right, and then you want to come back up here, and where it says name, we want to address our prospect by their first name. So let's go ahead and do that. So we want to Control C, come down here, and we want to Control V, right? This is Control V. So now when this email goes out, we are addressing our prospect by their first name. Hi, Jermaine. Hi, John. Hi, whatever your name is, right? And then it goes into the email, and then it just goes into the job description, letting them know what kind of work you'll be doing, the rate, how much you'll get paid, the hours a week and the location, right? So the cool thing about these pre-reading emails, there's always a call to action text that's in bold text, right? So all we have to look for is these bold text that basically tells us what to do. Okay, so right here, here's a call to action sentence right here. Okay, click here to complete your application if you're interested. All right. So what I would want to do is I want to make this whole sentence a clickable link. So let's go over here to the link tab, click on that. Let's go back to our offer. Okay. Underneath every email, we're going to have a affiliate link underneath the email. Okay. So this link goes with this email. Okay. So whenever someone clicks on this link where it says click here, it's going to take them to this affiliate page, and our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us, which is pretty cool. Okay. So let's go back over here to the mailing system. Let's go and Control V. And then we want to come back here, and we want to, where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID, we want to take this out, okay? And you want to put in your affiliate ID, okay? Don't put in mine, but put in yours, all right? So click on OK. And what that does is turns that into a clickable link, right? Super easy to do. You want to come down here and you want to do the same for this one right here, right? So you just want to come here, click on the link tab, Control V, and then you want to come back here and go to the ClickBank ID, and you want to take this out, and then boom, right? And then click on OK. Okay, and what that does, like I said, it turns those into clickable links, right? So you want to Control A, and then what I like to do is make it a little bit bigger, either 16 or 18, whichever one you like. And then this email is ready to go, right? So at the bottom, there's going to be two buttons. One's going to say send now, and one's going to say preview. Click on preview, pull up the ad and pull up the email in real time. That way you can click on these links to make sure they work, and you want to make sure that they're going to your affiliate link. That way you can get the credit for them and get paid for it, okay? So that's very important that you do that. And then after you do that, guys, you just come down here and click send. Boom. Click send, guys. And then this email is going to go out to however many people that you have in this account, right? Which is pretty easy, guys. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the My Legion secret system. All right, which is pretty easy. So all we're doing is we're grabbing the offer on whatever offer that you want to choose, and you go to the affiliate page of that offer, and you get to pick these emails, these pre-reading emails, and all you got to do is just copy and paste them over to the mailing system, guys. It's just that easy. Okay, and if you don't remember what I just showed you guys, just rewind this video and go back and watch it. Okay, so that's it, guys. I just showed you guys how to send out an email in the mailing system. Let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. Okay, and if you don't know what ClickBank is, it's a free network service that you can go to and you can promote other people's offers and then get paid a commission whenever someone purchases the program. Okay, so let's go ahead and go right here. All right, and let's go ahead and check the report for today. So as you can see, guys, we've been getting some consistent sales. Okay, it's either we're getting a new sale, a free trial, or a rebuild. Okay, so as you can see, this is the algorithm that I've been sharing with you guys. You know how it was before when we first started. We'll get a sale here, maybe a sale next week. We'll get a sale here, maybe a sale in 5 days. And then, one every 5 days, one every 4 days, one every 3 days, right? And then recently it's been every other day or every 2 days, right? So as you can see, this algorithm is getting closer and closer and closer together. Okay. And the whole point of this, me showing you this, guys, is to show you what it looked like whenever we were spread apart. And then now, as you can see, as you send out emails every single day, your sales will start to get closer. But you have to come in every single day and send out these emails. Okay. And then this eventually, guys, we're going to start earning money every single day. Okay. Now, the reason I'm showing you this, guys, is because I've already done this before. Okay. So I haven't made videos about it, but now I want to make a video about it to show you guys that this does work. Okay. This method does work. Okay. So I have other ClickBank accounts that I use for this. I do other stuff online, guys, and make money from other, sources or whatever. But this method, I've created this account just to show you guys, okay, that I can take a brand new ClickBank account, right, and start doing this method and it'll work. Okay, so if it works for me, it's going to work for you. Okay, I'm no different from you guys. I just seen this method before. I've seen someone do it, and all I did is go copy them and do, the same thing that they were doing. Right? It's just that simple. And you can do the same thing that I'm showing you. Okay, I'm not charging you anything or any type of information. This is not something that um, you know, is super complicated to do. Okay? If you can copy and paste emails, you can do this method. All right. I did leave a link below this video. Okay, so all you got to do is come down here below the video, click on the More tab if you can, and then click on this tiny URL, MLGS Freedom. It'll take you over here to the My Legion Secrets. You sign up under my account. Let me know that you signed up, and I'll send you some secret emails that will get you started pretty quick and get you started making money as soon as possible. Okay, so let's go back over here to ClickBank. So as you can see, these sales are starting to get closer and closer together. So the more we come in every day, the more consistent that we stay on this thing. Okay. Now I've seen results, happen as fast as a week. I've seen results happen as fast as a month, 2 months, 3 months, right? 4 months, maybe 5 or 6 months before it actually really starts taking off. Okay. So that's why I encourage you guys to go back and watch these previous videos. That way you can see the struggle and you can see how long it took us to get to where we are right now, right? We're on day number 100 and we've come a long way from a sale here, sell there, we get a sale here, sell there, and then now it's just starting to be where we're starting to collect the rebills, okay? And we're starting to get those free trials. So it looks like these sales are starting to come closer and closer and closer together, and that's what we want, guys. All right. So it looks like today we did earn a rebuild today. So let's go ahead and go over here to the reporting tab. And let's see what this looks like. Today is the July the 28th. We're promoting the social sales rep here. Okay, so today we did get over 601 hops, and we got 590 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses that hit our link. Okay, so we did get one order form impression. This is someone that actually went to the checkout page and they were ready to buy. They either bought for whatever reason or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay, today we did get a sale. Okay, which is really good. We got a free trial sale, which is, I want to get free trial sales every single day. That's the whole point of doing this method, guys, is to get sales every single day. So we did get a sale today. We did not get a sale yesterday, okay, but we did get one today. So the algorithm seems like we've been getting a sale, like a free trial sale, every other day or every 2 days. I'll see every 2 days. It seems like I'll see a sale that'll pop in for a free trial. So that lets me know that we are getting closer and closer to, bridging the gap. Okay. Now we did earn a sale today, and then we also got a rebill. Okay. Now this rebill came from an email that we sent out, a free trial that we got 3 days ago. Okay. So this email was, if you guys go back a few days, you're going to see where we earned a sale, and we're going to get paid today for the sale. Okay, so I don't need to go and search for that, or anything like that. So just go back and watch the video from a few days ago, and you'll see where we earned that free trial sale, and then our customer gets billed for it 3 days later. Okay, so that's where this $20 came from. All right, which is really good. Okay, so eventually, guys, we're like on day number 100. Now, eventually, as we get up in this hundreds on this challenge, I'm just super excited about this, guys, because I know what's going to be coming. Eventually, we're going to start getting, $20 every single day, and then it's going to go from that to $40. Okay, from $40 a day, it's going to go up to 60. Okay, and it may be fluctuating up and down, but we're going to start touching those $40 days. Okay, those $40 days, $60 days, $80 days, maybe $100 days. Okay, so we are working towards that, guys, and this is just the whole method to the madness on this what I'm showing here, you guys. It's going to take time for you to build these accounts up, but if you get started now and you don't give up and you stay committed to this thing, these are the results that you can have. Okay, I believe this account, we've been making money every single week from this. Let me go to the accounts. It may not be a lot, guys, but it's more than what we're putting into this thing. Okay, there is a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then $30 a month to keep the service. Okay, which is a no-brainer. So we're already in profit right now, just in the beginning, of doing this thing. Okay. So as you can see, these are just small weekly payouts that we're getting every single week. Okay. So right now it doesn't look like much, but eventually you're going to start seeing this be 100. Okay. It's going to be 120, 130, 140, 90, 200, 200, 250, 300. It's going to start climbing, guys. So I'm just wanting to show you ahead of time what this will look like. Right now, it doesn't look like much. Okay, just some extra gas money, or maybe you can pay a light bill or a gas bill or water bill or whatever. These are just extra. Right now, this is just chump change for you to put food on the table. Keep gas in your car, pay a few bills or something like that, or go buy yourself a pair of shoes or something like that. So just wanted to show you guys the results on what this looks like. Just want you guys to stay motivated. If you guys do want to get started, it's super cheap to get started, and this method does work, guys. So stick with me, follow with me. Okay, if you like this type of stuff, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button. Let me know what you think about this stuff. Okay, and I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow, and I'm going to see you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.